When it comes to roof replacement, the average cost in Rancho Cordova is $8,750. This price includes the cost of materials and labor. The type of material will impact the price of the replacement. The size of your roof will also impact the cost of replacement. A smaller house will cost less than a larger one. The pitch or slope of your roof can also affect the price. A steeper pitched top is more difficult to work on and will therefore be more expensive to replace than a flatter one. If you are looking for roofing near me in Rancho Cordova, you've come to the right place. Rancho Cordova roofing contractors have been providing quality roofing services to the residents of Elk Grove, Roseville, and its nearby area for years. We're ready to help you with whatever roofing needs. Whether you need a new roof installed or your existing roof repaired, we're here to help. We offer various roofing services to meet your needs, and we're always available to answer any questions. Please don't wait any longer. Call us today and let us help you with your roofing needs. We'll be happy to provide you with a free estimate and look forward to serving you.